What if you could create an AI detective that solves mysteries, builds an audience, and generates income without ever stepping in front of a camera? Right now, AI influencers are exploding on social media. You've probably seen names like Lil Miquela, with over 3 million followers, and brand deals with Prada and Samsung. Emma collaborating with luxury brands like Dior and Porsche. AI Angelica creating an entire brand using AI generated content. These AI influencers aren't real, but their income is. Now imagine doing this in the mystery and detective niche, where storytelling thrives. Today, I'll show you step by step how I built Hamilton Noir, an AI detective who generates content 24/7, attracts followers, and creates revenue. In this lesson, you'll learn how to create an AI detective character from scratch, how to generate cinematic images and viral videos automatically, how to turn still images into animated clips with one click, how to build an engaged audience using Authority Video's AI tools, how to monetize your AI detective brand with passive income strategies. Hey, is this your first video of mine? Drop a magnifying glass in the comments if you're new. Welcome to the Mystery Squad. Also type cheat sheet if you want a free step-by-step guide to create your own AI detective. Let's get started. First, we need a character, one that feels real and has a recognizable brand. How I created Hamilton Noir using Authority Videos. AI open avatar by prompt on authorityvideos.com. Use this detailed ChatGPT prompt to generate his look, a noir detective avatar named Hamilton Noir, a rugged, sharp-eyed private investigator in a 1940s trench coat and fedora, cigarette dangling from his lips. The city lights cast long shadows over his face, and he exudes a mysterious, brooding aura. The background is a foggy urban alleyway, dimly lit by flickering street lamps, with the faint silhouette of a femme fatale in the distance. The scene is moody, cinematic, and dramatic, perfect for a crime noir aesthetic. Select film noir style for a high contrast, cinematic feel. Hit generate and fine-tune until perfect. Boom! Just like that, Hamilton Noir is born. But now we need to put him into action. Let's create some viral detective videos. Instead of spending hours scripting, filming, and editing, I used Authority Video's 3-scene viral video generator, which only requires a simple prompt. 3 viral AI detective stories, full walkthrough. Example. 1. The man who walked through walls. 3-scene prompt for AI video generator. A businessman was last seen entering his office at midnight, but security footage shows he never left. When detectives broke in, the room was empty. AI video breakdown, automated in seconds. Scene 1. Hamilton Noir watching eerie security footage. Timestamp frozen at 12:03 a.m. Scene 2. A locked office with a still steaming coffee cup left behind. Scene 3. A security guard whispering, "No one ever leaves this building after midnight." Viewers love suspense. They need to know what happens next. Let's do another one. Example 2. The Phantom Train. 3-scene prompt for AI video generator. Every year, on the same night, a train disappears from the tracks, only to reappear an hour later with no passengers aboard. AI video breakdown. Scene 1. Hamilton Noir waiting at an abandoned train station, mist rolling in. Scene 2. The train emerges from the fog, but the windows are empty. Scene 3. A 1923 newspaper headline reads, "Ghost train still haunts these tracks. This is just one of 3 ways to create detective content. Now, let's generate some stunning AI detective images. Authority Video's image generator lets you create high-quality cinematic images with just a prompt. Here are 5 perfect examples. 5 AI-generated detective image prompts: The Hidden Clue, Hamilton Noir, examining a shattered glass window, reflection revealing a shadowy figure. The Smoking Gun, a dimly lit office, a gun on the desk, a file stamped confidential. The Secret Meeting, a rainy alley, 2 figures exchanging a briefcase, Noir watching from a distance. The Missing Corpse, a morgue slab, completely empty, but the name tag remains. The Final Showdown, Noir in an alley, gun drawn, facing a masked figure holding a hostage. Now, let's add motion to make them even better. If you love a detective image, you can click to animate it into a 5-second clip instantly. How to add motion to any image. Choose an AI-generated detective image. Click Image to Clip and apply motion effects. And just like that, your AI detective is alive. But how do we turn this into income? Let's talk about making money. Now that we've built Hamilton Noir and created content, it's time to turn it into income. Here's how you can monetize your AI detective brand: affiliate marketing, promote true crime books, noir-style gadgets, detective-themed products. Example, partnering with Amazon associates to recommend best-selling mystery novels, print-on-demand merch, sell AI-designed t-shirts, noir posters, and detective-themed mugs. Example, a Hamilton Noir-inspired poster with the tagline, "The truth is in the shadows." Brand sponsorships and paid collaborations. Work with mystery podcasts, escape rooms, and detective-style experiences. Example, A sponsored AI-created video for a murder mystery escape room brand. YouTube ad revenue. Once your channel gains traction, start monetizing with ad revenue. Want to create your own AI detective? Type cheat sheet below for the free step-by-step guide. I'll send you everything you need to get started. The AI revolution is here. Will you be ahead of it or watching from the sidelines? Sign up for free at authorityvideos.com and start building your own AI avatar today. Let's create stories that captivate, grow your audience, and make money, all using AI. Click the link below and get started now. Now it's time to scale. If you want to see real growth, here's the plan. Your AI detective content schedule for the next 30 days. Create 30-50 AI generated videos, images, and animated clips. Post daily across YouTube Shorts, Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. Engage, respond to comments, encourage shares, and track what's working. After 30 days, analyze your top performing content and refine your strategy. Content creation is a game of momentum. Start now, stay consistent for 30 days, and watch your audience grow. AI gives you the advantage. Use it. Don't wait. Start now. The next viral AI influencer could be yours.